Have you ever had this issue that after sharpening your charcoal or graphite pencils that you are left with a lot of graphite or charcoal powder on your sanding block or pad, that even if you shake it off, most of the residue stays on the sanding block? I have a tip to show you how to clean and remove the dust completely. I tried first to clean it with a little bit of water, but the problem with the water is that eventually it will break down the sandpaper. The only thing you need to use is your vacuum. That's it. It will clean your sanding block or your sanding pad completely, leaving no residue at all. If you like this video, give it a like please, and or share it with your friends, and thank you for watching.